Okay, you may ask me which book is the most popular. The most popular books in all our platform is New Practical Chinese Reader 新实用汉语课本. Okay, this one has been published for about 20 years, still very popular. Okay, why? Because the content is very good. So, okay, you ask me which is the best contents books, I would say this one 新实用汉语课本. Okay, so many university like University of Sabah use this one as a main textbook. So it actually published by Beijing Language University, okay, Beijing Cultural and Language University. Start from initiate. Okay, the most basic, or start from the basics, initiate and finals, start from the basic introductions to Chinese characters. Okay, start from 你好吗他是哪国人. Okay, then continue with 认识你很高兴餐厅在哪儿 where is the dining hall 我们去游泳好吗 let's go swimming shall we 你认识不认识他你家有几口人他今年20岁 about the age Okay, all together have 14 chapter okay, so you see the okay, this is the first one. This is the first chapter with the audio system. With audio system, you just scan the QR code behind. You scan the QR code behind. You got the CD. Okay, explain to you about the phonetics. So, what is wonderful of this book? They have a pinyin chart or the pinyin chart, all the 400 pinyin chart. Okay, is here. We got the pinyin charts. Okay, initial, final, all is here. Got pinyin charts. Okay, so lesson 7. 你认识不认识他 Do you know him? Okay, with all the exercise. Okay, you see. Okay, okay. Okay, about the age, about the number, about the age, about the number. Okay, okay. 师傅，我去语言学院. Okay, driver, I want to go to the language school. Okay. Okay, this one is about drill and practice with audio. Okay, this is the book one. This is the book one. So, okay, we have a cultural note. So cultural note like what is so-called Beijing, Shanghai, and the Changjiang River, the Huanghe River, and the Great Wall. Okay, the cultural knowledge there. Okay, we got vocabulary list. Okay, with vocabulary list. Okay, so with vocabulary list, this one is just cost you 68 ringgit only, 68 ringgit. So this is the most popular book. So you see how many pages. So is around 278 pages. So 278 pages. So it is 282 pages. Okay, 282 and it was edited by very famous professor of Mandarin as second language Liu Xun. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so surf to our webpage learnmandarinshop.com and send your questions to WhatsApp. Okay, thank you very much.